Meanwhile, the Philippine government has so far filed 35 diplomatic protests against China this year as their aggressive actions continues in the West Philippine Sea. Our Patrick De Jesus has the details in his report.
The government defended its current strategy in the West Philippine Sea, where the military will not take the lead in operations, particularly at Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc. This is despite the PLA Navy warship of China also being among those harassing Philippine vessels, such as the incident last week, which resulted in its collision with a China Coast Guard ship.
We also would like to pursue PCG as the lead as of this point, just to ensure the message to our Chinese friends that we are not escalating things. That is the main message of using our civilian Coast Guard. So I believe they read it. It's just a matter for them to accept it.
Hindi tayo magpapadala ng Navy natin para tapatan ang isang Navy. Bakit? Kasi once you deploy a Navy vessel there, you come like warlike. Hindi tayo magpaprovoke kasi we do not know what will happen if two Navy vessels are there. Kasi doon pwede mangyari miscalculation, misjudgment. And that is the thing that we do not want. No? Hindi naman nasasabi dahil hindi tayo nag-deploy doon na naduduwag tayo, hindi.
The Philippine Coast Guard also assured that it remains safe for Filipino fishermen to sail to Panatag Shoal. The deployment of PCG ships is also done with careful planning, ensuring they can match China's aggressive actions.
We are deploying skippers of the vessels who are excellent in seamanship skills. The display of seamanship skill of Captain Angge, the commanding officer of 4406, is a good evidence of how careful we are in selecting Coast Guard vessels whenever we deploy in the West Philippine Sea.
Meanwhile, the Philippines has already filed 35 diplomatic protests against China this year over various incidents in the West Philippine Sea. Diplomacy will remain a key part of resolving maritime disputes, such as the existing provisional agreement covering RORE missions at BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal.
Yes, we are looking at existing platforms for discussing all these important matters with China. Again, ang instructions sa atin is that we continue diplomacy and dialogue, and we keep lines of communication open with China. Linsunod na nga yan sa instructions ng Pangulo.
Monitoring also continues on the illegal presence of 4 China Coast Guard ships around Bajo de Masinloc, along with a Chinese research vessel. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.